Tourism Pathshala, it will transform your dream into reality.
Good afternoon, my dear student. Today we are going to learn the financial management. So first of all, we have to understand what is the objective of financial management. What is the objective? Next, we will learn the scope and approach of financial management. The scopes and approach based on the traditional scope and approach and modern scope and approach. Then, important area, the modern approach. Then, important area, the function of financial management. Function of this financial management also related with the modern approach. And next, our important topic to understand the technique of financial management. Fund flow technique, cash flow technique, ratio analysis. Today, first of all, we have to understand what are the objective of financial management. What are the objective of financial management? Number one is the profit maximization. Number two, wealth maximization. The wealth maximization also related EVA, economic value added. What is economic value added? EVA, EV and A. Economic value added means performance. Economic value added means a performance measure to determine existing proposed investment. This is the object. There are two types of scope of financial management: traditional scope and modern approach. Apart from, we are going to understand the function of financial management. What are the important function? Financial management function can be divided in investment decision, financing decision, and dividend policy decision. Investment, financing, and dividend decision. An investment decision is related to short-term asset management, short-term current asset management, and long-term asset management, which is related to fixed asset management. Short-term current asset management is related with the working capital, and long-term current asset management is related with the capital value. In my next class, I will discuss about the working capital, about the capital value. Today, my goal to teach you to help to understand the function of financial management. Now we try to remember working capital management is related to cash management, receivable management, and inventory management. And capital budgeting. The capital budgeting is related to the investment proposal technique. It can be divided non-discounted technique and discounted technique. Now we try to understand the financial management key, the financial management concept. What is the concept of financial management? The financial management is the strategic plan. The very important point is the strategic planning, organizing, directing, controlling of an organization resources to achieve what they achieve as shareholders value and ensuring the long-term sustainability. These are the main. What are the key elements of financial management? Number one, financial planning. So financial planning focusing the future need and creating budgets. Second important thing, the investment decision. So my dear student, try to remember the investment decision is related with the capital budget. The capital budget investment decision allocating resources for what? For the project that provide the best return. Is the main objective. When you have decided to invest anywhere, the capital budgeting, you have to take the investment decision. Other important things are financial decision. Determine financial decision. Try to remember the financial decision is the mix of debt and equity. Debt capital and equity. Capital structure is also related with the capital structure. Next important area, our working capital management. Working capital managing day-to-day cash flow is inventory, payable or receivable. And risk management is another important part of financial management, protecting the company from financial losses, ensuring the regulatory compliance. These are the part of the risk. Now, now we try to understand the function of financial management, investment decision. So, investment decision is the function of financial management. Functions of financial management. Function of financial management. First, investment decision. So, investment decision, what investment decision involves a limited part into asset. Asset means stock, bond, real estate, and goods. To generate the future income growth. Investment decision main purpose to generate future income growth. What are the key aspects of investment decision? First, of long-term capital budgeting. Second, portfolio investment, choosing between the different asset classes like stock, bond, ETF. Next, short-term means short-term working capital, day-to-day liquidity, cash, and inventory. What are the key factors considered the investment decision? Number one, risk appetite, how much risk an investor can take one. Interest rate, high rate offer reduce investment, and low rate encourage. Market trend is another important area. Economic indicator and economic cycle is related with the market trend. And time horizon, the period for which the money can be invested. What are the evaluation tools? What are the evaluation tool of investment decision? Evaluation tool is the return on investment, that is for ROI, measuring profitability. Net present value method, evaluate the long-term value. Payback period, how quickly an investor pay for itself. So these are the important area for the investment decision. Next important function of financial management is the financial decision. What is the financial decision? The function of financial management, financial decision. So financial decision determine how company raise capital to fund operation and growth. How they operate in the debt capital, focusing on the debt capital. Debt capital means the loan, bond, and equity. Equity means share and retainer. These are three important areas of the financial decision. What are the key aspects? Number one, debt and equity. Debt provide the funds without diluting ownership, but at fixed and risk interest payment. While equity avoid payment pressure but reduce control. What are the key factors? You have to remember decision are influenced by cost of capital. Key factors are cost of capital, cash flow stability, market condition, and tax benefit. These are the key aspects of financial decision. Third, number one, debt and equity. Number two, important decisions are influenced by the factors. Number three is the capital structure. Capital structure is strategy, main strategy to balance the debt and equity to maintain sustainable financial base. These are the important area of the capital in financing decision. Financing decision basically work with the debt and equity. The debt means a loan or bond, equity means a share, and also work with the retainer. Third activity of the third activity of the financial function of finance. This is also the part of function of finance. Function of finance, that is dividend decision. What is dividend decision? Dividend decision determine what portion of companies net earning will be paid out the shareholder as a dividend. Key factors are profitability, cash liquidity, and growth opportunity are the important factor of dividend decision. And there are different types of dividend: cash dividend, distributed the cash, bonus dividend, the stock dividend, and special dividend, generally defined by the board of the directors. So these are the important financial function of finance, function of financial management. We have understood today investment decision, financing decision, and dividend policy decision. So these are our important area of the financial management. This topic is very, very helpful to solve our UGC question based on financial management. On my next class, I will discuss the another important topic of financial management, working capital, capital budgeting, technique of financial management, and after that, I will give you the important previous year question to help you to solve the previous year question by the help of this diagram, chart, and conception. So keep touch with this channel. If any queries, you can send a message through my WhatsApp. Thank you.